Vlogs. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Long time no see. Today we're gonna do a squishy package. I'm so excited. It's from Creamy Candy and I think eBay. I'm so excited. And let's begin. First I got the marshmallow kitten. Pretty dense. While still rising. So cute. Let's take it out of the packaging. I'll try to take this out of the packaging because I'm not a rough squishy. Oh, we got this tag. Ooh, this is the marshmallow kitten. So soft. Okay, I'll put them back in the packaging later. Next, we have this polar bear. Ooh, so soft. I have to take this out of the packaging right now because the packaging is like to die for. Oh my god. Okay, let's take it out. I love squishies. Like, I don't want to rip the packaging. Oh my god. This is so soft. It's like you're touching like a cloud. It smells like mint. This is my most favorite squishy in my collection, I think. Because it's so soft. Okay, I'll put this on the side because I am going to put it in packaging later. Next up, oh, I have extra. Ooh, it's pretty on the dense side. Let's take it out. It doesn't really smell like something. It's a donut. I'm good with this hollow tag right there. Hallelujah! Okay, this is from Creamy Candy, I think. I started with the eBay. And we opened the Creamy Candy one. Ooh. I think I'm not going to take this out of the packaging because it's to die for. Ooh, so cute. It's kind of airy. That's why it feels kind of dense. It's not that slow rising. Well, it's still cute. It's like this marshmallow in a duck costume. That is to die for. I just can't believe this squishy right now. Look how soft. Okay, I'll just put that down for a little. Cheeky lamb, which I'm going to squish right now. I'm so excited. Well, the problem is I don't know how to open it. Well, I think I do. I opened it! Yay! Got the cheeky lamb! Oh, this is so cute! Ah, it's so squishy. It's holding out little rose. Look at it. It's so cute. It's like the rose is the color of my bow or something. I'll take this out. Whoa. Literally, this is from Creamy Candy too. Ooh, airy. So cute. And let's see, what do we got? We got Chica lamb. No, Chica sheep. I want to get the Chica cat. It's cute. So cute. This is the box. This is the squishy. It smells like soap. Oh guys, sorry. I forgot to tell you what the marshmallow kitten smells like. It smells like lip balm. maybe, I don't know how to pronounce it. Well, lip balm. Smells so good. Well, this is the marshmallow kitten I just showed you guys. I just forgot to tell you what does it smell like. So cute. Okay, I'll put this aside. Well, oh, I forgot to show you the polar bear tag. It's cute. It's holding a fish. Oh, they gave me a memo pad for the They gave me the memo pad for the marshmallow. Ooh, thank you. Thank you so much, eBay. They gave me an extra from Creamy Candy and the Cinnamoroll donut. Here's the tag. I don't really know how to flip it. There. I want to take it out of the packaging. Should I? Yes, I will. Because it's my birthday, I can. It's my birthday, that's why I'm opening the squishy package, okay? Oh! The tag's attached. Well, all I can do is take this out. Yeah. I'll try to figure this out. I'll put this aside. Oh my god. This is so cute. Okay. We got this Fat Yummy Bear Series 3. Ooh. It's pretty soft. Yeah, well, at the same time, it's pretty dense. It's not that slow rising. I don't know what this smells like. Wait, I'll smell the Cinnamoroll donut for you guys. It kind of smells like those rice things. I don't know. I don't really know what the marshmallow smells like. Well, these two are so cute. Thank you so much. Wait, guys, I got this Vlampo cat. It's so soft. It's very soft. Okay, I have to take this out of the packaging. Oh, I found the seal. Okay. It feels so soft. I'm not really the fan of what it smells like. Well, it's so cute. It's like a tall cat holding a heart. It's so slow rising. Literally, this is like so cute. It's like, it's like a mommy cat. It kind of smells like the rice, while at the same time, it doesn't smell that good.
Creamy Candy gave you a letter. It's in time.
Oh, really? Oh, Creamy Candy gave me a letter. It's in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Creamy Candy and eBay, you know I'm vloggers. I'm a vlogger. I vlogged everything you gave me, and I think this is sponsored. Dear Leona, happy birthday. Hope you like. Love, Creamy Candy. Mommy, they know it's my birthday.
Yeah, I told them.
Oh, look at it, guys. She said, Dear Leona, happy birthday. Hope you like. Love, Creamy Candy. Thank you so much, Creamy Candy. Now I am going to go with, the island koala. I don't want to take this out of the packaging. Actually, no. Actually, my grandma sent me this from eBay, so thank you. I'll put this down there. I don't want to take it out of the packaging. This is like so soft. Okay, I still cannot believe how soft this is. Like, look. Oh, I like that when the squishies make wrinkle effects. They're not annoying for me. Look at the little eyes. I'm gonna squish the ears. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the extras. Thank you for everything. I am dying from when your squishies come so soft. I'm dying with the cheeky lamb. I'm dying with this one. It's so cute. I'm really nice to my squishies. I protect them. I bring them some places. Oh, they gave me this Relakuma thing. I don't know what this is. Okay. I don't know what this is. It's a cell phone thing. It's a Curlicuma.
Like a keychain.
Yeah, it's like a keychain. I could put this on my backpack. eBay. Well, whoever was sending me this cool extras, thank you. So now I'm going to tell you about, I'm going to put my squishies in order. I'm going to tell you what's my most favorite to my least favorite squishies. My first most favorite is this one. My next most favorite is this one. Of course, you knew I'm going to show it. And my next favorite, this one. My next favorite, this one. From Creamy Candy. I love you guys. This is like so soft. It's like you're touching a cloud. My next leveled up favorite squishy is this cheeky lamb. It's so mini compared to my hand. Look, it's not that many. So guys, in my birthday, I'm going to have a bubble bath. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm going to film it. Creamy Candy, thank you for this very sweet note. Next time, can you write your name, the seller who did this? Well, I'm still really thank you. Sorry, Creamy Candy gave me. They gave me this one, and this one. Thank you so much, Creamy Candy. Woo! I love you guys so much. I always wanted to order from you guys. Well, I just can't. It's because my mom said that your website is too expensive for me. Well, in my birthday, it leveled up. My mom finally said, okay. This extra donut, I don't know who gave me this. Raise your hand if you're new. Raise your hand if you're new. Subscribe. If you're new, subscribe, okay? If you're not new, hi. My name is Leona. This is just my 5th vlog, or 6th, 7th, 8th. No, just 5th. The tags are scented. In my opinion, the tags are scented. Maybe it's just because the squishy had been like that. Well, okay. Let's open the one from the Maru polar bear. Let's see how good it will be. Ooh! The ball chain went off. Creamy Candy, I hope you know how to, or eBay, I hope you know how to fix this. I don't know. Well, it's like a little polar bear holding a fish. It's Oh, can you hear my name? Mommy, come here, smell this. It smells so good.
I think it smells like fruity.
Yeah, fruity. It smells like fruity patootie. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoy. Have a donut day.